1st of Jan 2020 at the moment, and we have decided to spend the morning at some sort of a church or something. I don't know. Got the bike out. Lars flying the drone again. We're going to try and get some shots. Hopefully it comes out pretty sick, but everyone's just kind of on a very mellow vibe at the moment. I think I'm going to be riding that thing a little bit more often from now on. There's like a little manual pad thing that I'm trying out here. Trying to keep active in the beginning of 2020. So pretty keen. I was trying out the bike. Lars busy hitting a bit of a sesh there at the moment. All feeling a little bit rusty. Hey! Hey! Time for a bit of a swim, I think, after that. First swim of the year. I think it was very refreshing after that ride. And now I think the plan is kick a ball, eat something, and then kick a ball. Busy day. Busy day. Yeah.